I wanted a broad tool to work on Sarah's calves. I'm going to bring my shin down and use my thigh. I want to stack her leg on my thigh and then roll out her calf. How's that right there?
Good.
Okay, not too much? Okay. Now I can grab just above and below on the tibia to be able to apply some pressure. Do you want that a little closer to the knee or do you want a little closer to the ankle? A little closer there, is that better? There we go. This is a big, broad structure. This isn't often what people think of as massage itself, but I find working this way can really save your hands and allow you some really great work to initially soften the calves to get in, using it almost like as a rolling pin on my quadriceps. I'm tricking her into massaging my thigh. Right through there.